Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I put this super cute cow decal on my Libbey glass. To make this decal, I use Teckwrap's new black shimmer adhesive vinyl. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Before we begin, I want to show you guys this new black shimmer adhesive vinyl that Teckwrap now offers on their website. This vinyl does come in different colors and it adds that pop of shimmer to all of your crafting projects. It does have a smooth finish, so it will still sparkle underneath your epoxy or your bright tone if you choose to seal up your decal. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll put the Teckwrap website down below in the video description and I'll also add my discount code there. If you're looking for quality vinyl, definitely check out their website. So here I already have my decal cut out by my cutting machine. I did cut this out using a Cricut Explorer 2. You can cut this type of vinyl with any type of cutting machine. I did cut this vinyl on the holographic vinyl cut setting. Now I'm going to weed out the excess vinyl off of my decal. To do that, I'm going to be using my Teckwrap weeding pen. I'm going to start off by going in on one of the corners here and removing this big piece of excess vinyl. After doing that, I'm going to go in with the same weeding pen and remove those small fine detail cuts. Here I'm also going in with my Teckwrap tweezers to help remove those small pieces. You can find these weeding tools on the Teckwrap website. I'll link them down below in the video description along with everything else that I use in this video. And here is my decal already weeded out. I am now going to take a piece of transfer tape that is the same size as my decal and I'm going to place it on top. Using my squeegee, I'm going to press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well. And then I'm slowly going to remove the backing. So here's the cup that I'm going to be using. It is a 16-ounce Libbey glass or beer can glass. I did purchase these on Amazon. I'll link them down below in the video description. I also purchased the bamboo lids and glass straws from Amazon. Teckwrap also sells these. I'll link those down below as well. I did wipe my cup off with an alcohol prep pad just to be sure my vinyl has a good surface to adhere well onto. I'm going to place my cup here on top of my squeegee to keep it in place, and then I'm going to try to center this as best as I could. Once I find that center spot, I'm going to press down on my cup all the way around to make sure my vinyl adheres on well. And then I'm slowly going to remove the transfer tape. And here's how my cup looks with the vinyl decal already added on. And here is how my cup turned out. I absolutely love how this black shimmer adhesive vinyl added that pop of shimmer onto this vinyl decal. These types of cups with cute decals sell really great and they also make great gifts. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is MelissaCrafter00. Thank you so much for watching.